Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to edit your personal details on OneXpert. So let's get started. For that we need to get into OneXpert interface, for which we can get into any browser and search for onexpert.com. And we need to simply click on menu icon in the bottom right and simply scroll down, or you can simply click on the settings icon over here in the top. Over here we can see this option that is personal profile, so let's tap on that and we'll be able to see the list and all of our details here. Simply click on edit and we can edit all of our personal details like our name, date of birth, place of birth. We can add the missing ones, and once you're done simply click on save over here in the bottom, and we need to complete the verification process as well. Once you're done simply click on send, afterwards we can simply get back. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.